I'm all fucked up, but will you take care of me forever and ever? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today we are bringing you a beautiful day in Southern California. Although we're on hurricane watch. The first hurricane in like 165 years. So this will be interesting. We got today to work with. All the sunlight until hell rains upon us. Should be fun. Anyways, I'm rambling. Let's get to today's video. What are we doing? Well, we just put on some brand new fresh 40-inch tires on our 1988 Toyota pickup rock crawler. And the last set of 40s that were all worn out, they didn't already fit. You know, we had some issues with rubbing and clearancing issues and turning issues. And in today's video, we're gonna be taking some steps to avoid that as well. You know, just take care of whatever we got to take care of to make sure these tires clear as best as they possibly can. Now, concerning our tires, a quick announcement from us. We have actually joined Nito's pit crew team. What does that mean? Well, if you guys have watched our channel for a while now, I was already running Nito's on this truck. I run Nito's on the Dirtnation Tacoma over there. The Jeep in the garage right here, the ladies' Jeep, that one also runs Nito's. So we've been repping Nito's for the past year or two. Now we're gonna be repping Nito in an official capacity. So look forward to, you know, you'll see us tagging them on Instagram and maybe tagging them on YouTube videos, making some reels and shorts and all of that stuff. Just, you know, showing some love to Nito. They show love to us. So we're returning the favor and all that fun stuff. But back to our tires. These are nice. Holy crap. Probably, I think this is the first set of brand new tires I've purchased for this truck. And my goodness, these are really nice. But what I don't want to do is ruin these right away. If you take a look at our old tires, actually, let's go look at the old tires. I want to show you guys something. So when you look at our old tires, you can see, you know, normal chunking, normal stuff. But you can see on some of them, they have cuts, they have, you know, grooves and all this other stuff, you know, chunks coming out of them. Like, some of that's normal, some of it isn't. Now in this video, what I want to do is work on clearancing these tires a lot better than they are currently, because when I first put the truck on 40s, I really didn't do much. I kind of just, hey, whatever happens happens kind of deal. So what I want to do is work on some fender trimming, as well as I got some stuff in here I could work on, some cutting, whatever I need to do. And then you guys can see back here, this damage right here, see how this got bent forward? This damage right here, all of this was created from the tire tucking into it, damaging it, you know, slicing the tire, yada, yada, yada. You guys know the deal. Same thing over here, you know, we got freaking the fender getting crushed in and bent and damaged. And, you know, as the tire does this, you know, you're slicing the tire, you're taking unnecessary damage to the tire. You know, we're already going to be doing a lot of that with the off-roading stuff. So whatever we can do to mitigate that, I want to work on doing. Just make sure our clearance is all good. Same thing over here. You know, oh man, we got a lot of work to do. In addition, our power steering lines. So we recently did hydro assist, but these are routed on this side of the steering box, and they do rub on the tire when it turns full passenger. So we're going to have to work on moving those that way. And then I already noticed the new tires rub on the leaf spring. I don't know what I can do about that, but we'll have to see. So I have yet to flex out the truck with the new tires to see what we're working with, but the old tires rubbed pretty bad. So we're gonna get started on a few places and see where we get to, and then hey, we'll see how far we can get and what kind of things we can do. I got a couple other little things I got to take care of on the truck. We've now officially lost both mirrors on the truck, so I have a new set to put on. Oh no, my duct tape, bye. And then I also want to take care of some, like, I need to bend this out a little bit so I can fit a tail light back in there, because I no longer have a tail light, and that's not good. So we need to get that fixed up. Plus they're wired up, you know, something wonky going on in the wiring back here, so I got to take a look at that. There's a lot to do. So without further ado, before the storm comes in, we're going to get started on some stuff, and let's see how far we get. So I think first things, we're going to start with power steering line, because that should be the most simple, hopefully. Okay, there we go. So that hose, I moved it from coming this way to now coming underneath the steering box, or the front of it. And then we just got to figure out how to fucking put that on there. There we go, like that. Okay. Cool. Step one, complete. So we'll turn the tire right now. We'll see if it rubs. Not even close now. Good to go. Next, we're gonna be looking at these factory plastic that I've had forever. And you know what? It's all crunched up. I've been holding on to it as long as I can. It's time for it to go. Next piece along inside here is this metal pinch weld. We're gonna smash this so that it's flat with the rest of the body, just to make as much clearance as we possibly can. All right, let's see what kind of damage we could do. Cool. Cool. 5-piece. Up next, this tail light, just this whole panel has seen much better days, so we're gonna see what we can do about it. So I do have some new to me lights that would essentially go on there like that, but we'll see. Cool. At least that shit comes out. So that, maybe we could save it, right? I'm all fucked up, but will you take care of me forever and ever? Oh shit. Down there. Ta-da! I think it's time for some more cutting. I'm gonna end up making a line kind of like this, and then it'll thin up right here and then back down. Cool, so that's gone. Continue the line, and we're gonna continue it thinly. I know I should have taped all this, but honestly, dude, my bed is already fucked. So do it the correct way. I'm doing it this way. Get fucked. vacation, all I ever wanted. Vacation, oh, we're out of battery. Fuck. Hey, while we wait for our grinder to charge, let's do some other stuff. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if these are OEM. These look good. All right, let's see. So this is driver's side. Let's get this piece off. So that's just plastic. Hi, Dustin. Fancy. Let's crack open the other side. Bada bing, bada boom. And we're back. Ta-da! Cool. Let's do some grind. Yeah, I think we're done here. Let's check the other side. Let's see if do the fenders clear? Look at that. Cool. So we've created clearance right there. See? Oh, it's close, but it does clear. Very good. Well, let's see if this clearance is the real deal. It's close, huh? I don't think it's going any more than that. I think that's it. I didn't even flex out the rear over here, but I think it's fine. Pretty sure it'll be okay because I cut both sides about the same. They should flex about the same, so yada yada yada. Over here, hey, she looks good. everything looks fine so far. So we already determined that we're still going to rub at a turn over there, and that is going to be the same over here. So slight turn and full flex, still rubbing. So that's just, I'm not going to be able to avoid it unless I move the axle forward, or I do some tub work and cut the body up a little, which at this point I'm not willing to do. So that's all looking good. That's looking good. We're looking okay. All right, well, I think that's gonna wrap us up for this video. You know, we did a few things and we're mostly successful. Now I might need to do some more things in the future to prevent the rubbing in the front, but you know, we might go Dana 60s. Moving the axle forward and changing the geometry right now just doesn't really make sense. So I'd have to see what my options are. If you guys have any suggestions, comment them below. We'll see what we have, you know, to work with and what we could do. But for now, at least we got the rear to not rub at all, and the front is at least better. So hopefully it's not like cutting and chunking up the tires super quickly. And then, you know, that'll just be what it is for now. But we're able to get some other things done. We're able to you know, reroute the lines on there so that that's not in the way. Put on some nice fresh, you know, reverse mirrors or side mirrors, whatever the hell they're called, and then that's all we did in this one. But that's going to be it for this working on winters video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to support the channel and support the things that we do, check out Patreon, where you can get exclusive access to all things Dirt Nation Off-Road. You can also get some of our merch options. You can support us there. Big Cartel, we have a ton of different things. Hardline Heat Tour shirts. We got regular Dirt Nation shirts. All the above. You guys can check that out down below. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys. We will see you again next time.